Hello, and welcome back to the Knitting Enthusiast. Today we're going to talk about the Sentro knitting machine and this little piece here, this little knob. You use it when you're turning the machine, and it can really hurt your hand, and I have a better solution. So, it's very easy to take off. You don't have to take off the handle. All you have to do is go right in here, and there is a screw. You unscrew it, and this comes right off. Wonderful. Then I have 3D printed this new handle. It is so comfortable. It's long and it's easy to use. It comes with this screw. So all you have to do is put this in here, put the screw in here, and then get your screwdriver and screw it in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to screw it in. And once we screw it in, wait till you see how easy it's going to be to turn the handle. Screw it in so it's nice and tight so that it doesn't move around. Once you have done that, all you have to do, there's your handle. You can hold on to it nicely, and wow, is that easy to use. And the little ball just went off the table because that's where it's supposed to go, out of the way. So there's our video for today. You can buy this on theknittingenthusiast.com. We 3D printed in any color or most colors. Just go on to theknittingenthusiast.com and check us out. See you on the next video.